Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a spring baby boy and toddler girl haul. I went shopping online at Carter's. I went into the store. I didn't really find anything that I loved. I just happened to get an email later on that night and they were having a huge sale. So I want to say when I purchased this stuff, it was like 50% off everything, and then you got like an additional like $40 off if you spent like so much. Like I got a ton of stuff for crazy cheap. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I purchased today. I have not even opened this bag, and I'm that type of person, I forget what I buy like as soon as I purchase everything online. So it's gonna be like seeing everything for the first time all over again. I do remember one thing in here just because like I was planning out family photos already for when baby boy arrives, and I just thought it was the cutest, so I can't wait to show you guys that. So if you are new, I do have a 2.5-year-old little girl. I did purchase her stuff in 3Ts just because she's at that border and I want things to kind of last. Okay, so first thing is gonna be for Aria. So this is like, it's an outfit, and I did try to get colors that I can mix and match. So I got a couple of outfits, but bought them to where I can match them. So this is a little like off the shoulder. I think this is so cute. Actually, if you guys watched my last maternity try-on haul, I got a plum top that's very similar to this as far as the style goes. So it has like the white detailings on here. It's kind of long. She doesn't really dress in things like this. I feel like we dress her very plain, like t-shirts and jeans all the time, so I really wanted her to be in something cute for the summer and spring. And then these are the shorts. How adorable are these? And then they do have an elastic waistband, so we always laugh. She has bigger thighs, so I feel like we do have to buy her things that are in bigger sizes so they like fit over her little toddler butt. I thought these were just so cute, especially like to go together. Ugh. I try to do all of like Aria's outfits first, all the toddler girls. So I'm a huge chambray lover. I've never shopped like this before, but I was like talking to other moms and just kind of looking online, and I always look on like Instagram and I see family photos and they're so like uniformed and put together, and it's because they shop a color palette. So the colors I was really going for was like blacks, navies, whites, and then chambrays and stripes as like our throw-in mixes, if that makes sense to you guys. If you guys shop like that, let me know, because this is my first time and so I really did not know how to do it. But I got these little chambray shorts. This is another set, and I thought they could go with the black top too. And then again another, this one's cut a little different, but it can go over the shoulder, off the shoulder, chambray, so it's like a little outfit. And you can mix and match, like this would be cute with the black and floral shorts that I just showed you guys. I just love it. And they are longer. I hate seeing like little kids' clothes and their shorts are so short. Like I want it to cover my daughter. I feel I purchased more items for her than I did for him, but she has no new clothes. Like she still wears her Christmas PJs. I feel so bad. We don't really shop for clothes for any of us. So again, it's another little short set. A little like ruffle, and again it has like that little detail on there. So this is a black. It kind of looks gray though because of the material. And again, I got it so they can mix and match. So the 3 sets, I feel like you can really just like mix and match all these patterns and colors together. They go really well together. So even though it's 3 outfits, it's kind of like a capsule wardrobe, so I can just put her in a ton of different like styles throughout the spring and summer. All right, and then I just got a plain white shirt. It does have a little off the shoulder detail and then like a little lace detail here. But I wanted something plain too, so she can like throw on jeans if you wanted to. I got some jean shorts. She does not have any new jean shorts, but I thought these were cute because they had like the little colorful hearts on them. And again, she can like put this together, or we can mix it with the other shirts that we got. And then I got a plain blue. I thought this was darker, but the color is not that bad. This one has like the little keyhole in the back, and then a little lace floral like detail along the collar in the front. Okay, and then the last thing, this is so cute, you guys, and then I'll show you his first too. So I was thinking of like family photos as soon as I saw this little dress. Look at this dress. It's so adorable, and I love the colors in it. It's, again, that linen material. This would be even cute for Easter. And she is such, I grew up kind of a tomboy too, and I feel like she has those same tendencies, so we don't really stick her in dresses because she's not like a girly girl. For being 2, she already has like her own little style, but I just thought she'd be so cute in that. So now we're moving on to his clothes. I got this in a 3-month, so obviously I was planning photos later on down the road. So he has little like linen shorts that are the chambray, and then look at this little shirt. I've never dressed a boy. I mean, I have brothers, but I wasn't in charge of like their clothes, and so I'm like, I don't know how to dress little boys, but this is a style I love him in. Eric wears similar things to this. He wears a lot of like plaids and button-ups, and it has a little sailboat. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute. And then I know it's not perfect, you guys, but look how similar like the patterns are from the dress to like the little top. Can you imagine? Like, oh my god, my pictures are gonna be so cute. Like, I can already see it. Like, we're gonna be out in a field, and there's gonna be like, I don't even know what flowers, oh my god, what's in spring? Sunflowers, oh, so cute. Next, this one is also in 3 months. Maybe I just purchased all 3 months. I'm sorry if the lighting changed. I didn't want to set up my lights, so I'm using natural lights, and apparently there's clouds now. But I have no idea if Eric is gonna like this. He hasn't seemed to like the style whenever I showed it to him. But okay, so you have like a little blue navy top with whales, little overalls. I don't know. I never even stuck Aria in overalls, but I always see little boys wearing things like this, and I think it's so cute. And this did come as a set together, so it has like, it'll be the little whales, and it says Whale Tour Adventures. Okay, so this I did get in a newborn. So it's super tiny. It's just white, has like blue clouds on it with little like bears. And then I got him just some pants. It has like a little bear on the butt. And then it does have a matching like hoodie with little ears and things like that. With our weather, it's been so weird. I know it's supposed to be warmer, and normally like every other year I feel like it is warmer, but this year is just super, like rains every other day, and he's supposed to be born in the beginning of May, so I don't know if there's still gonna be showers, what the weather's gonna be like, so I definitely wanted to get him something that was a little bit warmer. This is not his coming home outfit. I do have his coming home outfit, but I'm gonna wait to show you guys, and I'm so excited. The reason why I have to wait is because his name is on it, and I have not let you guys know his name yet. It's gonna be a surprise after he is born. Okay, and then the last thing I got him, again, it came in an outfit. This is 3 months. So I only got one newborn, the rest are all 3 months. So he has little shorts again. It has whales and little sunglasses. Whales are just a thing. I wasn't like searching for whales. And then again, it has like a little button-up shirt. I thought this was like really cute. And it does have stripes on it, and it goes with her stuff as well. That's what I was really trying, is to like, because I have a boy and a girl, you can't make them obviously match in the same exact outfits, but I wanted them to wear like the same colors together, especially if we go out on family adventures or if we're taking pictures or things like that. So that was like my whole goal of this shopping experience. So with all of like the stacking and the discounts, the items came out to be like $10 for the set, or like $9 just for the top. So I thought that was really good, especially for sets. And if you go into Carter's, a lot of their clothing can be like $22 or more. Also, shopping through Top Cash Back earned me 6% cash back, which was amazing. I almost forgot, and I was able to like go through and like redo my order, so I got that 6% cash back, because that made such a big difference. And I think I got like $11 back or something like that. So I totally love Top Cash Back. If you guys do not know about it, it's kind of like Ebates and things like that. I have it linked in the description box below. It's super easy to shop. You just go to their website first, type in wherever you're gonna shop, and then you get cash back. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite outfit was, or if you yeah, we're gonna go on. If you normally shop like color stories for your kids, like I said, this is my first time doing it, and it made things so much easier. So I really think I'm gonna start shopping this way. If you are new and you want to see more videos and the journey, the last couple weeks to baby number 2's arrival, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell. As always, guys, we love you, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye.